how to make your Honda Civic make more turbo sound in one simple step. Put it in reverse. All right, now we'll show you the turbo sounds in drive. Just for comparison. Or neutral. See, neutral, not too loud, not too loud. All right, put it in reverse. There we go. Like, drive is nowhere close. Like, neutral, it's all right, but drive, for whatever reason, the turbo sounds in reverse are way louder. I guess because of gearing, but still, it's pretty funny. And that's how you make more turbo noise in your 2021 Honda Civic Sport. And my friend has left me on the road here, but I'll see you guys in the next video.